All right, first things first, man. All right, hold on. Yo, man, stop playing with me, man. Stop playing with me. Nobody playing with me. I just like saying that. Stop playing with me, man. I know a lot of people, man, they wouldn't show you they mess ups, man. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the logo is backwards as opposed to the shirt. Like you see the shirt is one way, like it goes the correct way. But this, I just ironed it backwards, man. Like when I cut it out the opposite way. So it might look cool with you guys, but just imagine it being the opposite way. I wouldn't do that for everybody else, man, if I was really trying to do this, but I just be in the house, man, trying to experiment, man. So you guys can see it. It's still cool, but I did it the wrong way. Like if you was coming up, if you was in person, you'd be like, oh, it's kind of backwards in the shirt. But do you see how the shirt is backwards? This isn't, well, to me at least, but you know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, people mess up, players mess up. You know, some people will probably redo this and make it again and not show you guys the little slip-ups and all that, man. But shit ain't perfect, man. Shit ain't perfect. You know, shit, Nipsey Hussle said, man, find your purpose or you wasting air. You know, so I'm just trying things out, man. I'm just trying to figure out and things that I've never been the one to like want to wear somebody else's stuff. You know, I already done paid money to wear your clothes or buy your clothes, to acquire your clothes. And then now you want me to like promote it too? Like you want me to promote, you know, a shirt from Macy's or wherever you shop, man. Shoot, Burlington, you know, like I don't like spending money on clothes. I definitely don't like spending a whole bunch of money on clothes and then promoting somebody else's shit because I'm wearing it, because it gives me some type of class in the eyes of people who I don't care about, man. So I'm only rocking my own stuff from now on, man. Only rocking my own stuff, man. I know I buy the shirts and I don't make the whole shirts, but I customize these motherfuckers, man, myself. So if I have something that's identifiable, you know, it's gonna be mine, man. Unless it's like, you know, I got some Nike sweatshirts or whatever, man. I'll probably rock those until they, you know, they go out and can't wear them no more. But everything else, man, my apparel, when I wear and make videos and go out and all that, man, it's gonna be my own shit, you know? And I advise you guys to do your own thing, man, to support somebody cool who you believe in or trust and know when you give them your money, man, they doing something dope with it and not just doing something crazy with it and not giving back to the community who you want to support and all that, man. So anyway, man, these the masks, man. This is just a little something I'm playing around with, man, but comment down below, man, if you think these are dope, man, and I should really do something with them. You know, another thing is like the little slit in the middle. I gotta find one without the slit in the middle, man, because it make it a little hard to, like, you know, it's cool on your face, but it make it a little hard to like iron the stuff. You like do the thing on or whatever, man, with the heat press and all that, because it's like a slit in the middle, man. It's like a fish. If you guys ever play football, man, had a face mask on, man. But anyway, man, the main thing I wanted to tell you guys about today, the main thing the video is about today is another something dope. You know, I'm always trying to put out some dope Chrysler stuff, man. I know my car is dirty right now. I know you guys are gonna clown me and talk about, oh, this nigga got this shit off. Like, don't worry about all that, man. I'm about to clean my top. Hold on, let me do that real quick. Yo, man, stop playing with me, man. Stop playing with me. Nobody playing with me. I just like saying that. Stop playing with me, man. You guys already know this is just part one of probably 3 or 4, but you guys already know where I'm going with it. You guys already know, but I'm gonna mix it up, man. I got something special in store, but stop playing with me, man. Hold on. Can you guys see that? Hold on. Can you guys stop playing? Hold, man, stop playing with me. All right, let's finish. Let's do it. Let's finish it.
You guys see it? You see that? I gotta redo it. Hold on, man. See, man, I put this, I just record, man. I try not to, I'm not even gonna edit it. I'm just gonna fix it. Hold up. Yeah, man. I just had to fix it. The devil is a lie. You know? Yo, man, stop playing with me, man. Whoever playing with me, I don't know who is. Stop playing with me, man. Stop. Don't do it. Don't do it, man. Don't do it to yourself. Do not do it to yourself, man. Comment down below right now. What am I going to do to mix it up on the next step? You guys already know what's going here. You guys already know what's going here. Tell me, how am I going to mix it up? You better not fall. Let's go. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. I was gonna do something crazy, but I'm gonna keep it normal. I'm gonna keep it normal. Stop playing with me, man. No lie. I could have made it a little bit bigger. I probably could have made it a little bit bigger. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. But this is just a little, you know, I'm just trying to see what it was. And it came out dope. Dope. You know we got to do the car wash test. So, what time is it now? It's super late. It's like midnight. So let's skip to another day, man, and let's do the car wash test. For you guys, it's only gonna be a second, but for me, it's gonna be all night. But let's get it. All right, it's a new day. I didn't go get a car wash. I didn't feel like doing all that, but comment down below if I should make it bigger. If I should I can't make it any longer, but I can make it the width a little bit longer. And there's a little piece here that I missed that I gotta cut out. But anyway, man, comment down below, man. Is this a dub? Is this a win or a loss? Let me know down below, man. Appreciate you guys, man. It's gonna be a short video. I know it's not a lot going on, but I just try to fill in and just check in and show you guys little things that I'm doing, man, just to keep active and keep little fun and little variety going on in life. But yeah, man, this is the Chrysler 300 Sunroof Decal. Comment down below, man, if this is dope, man. I like it. Driving around, you could see it up, when you're driving around with the rear, I'll show you guys on another ride or whatever, but appreciate you guys.